In this life, there is no book you will see without a cover. So another name for thumbnail is called cover. That image that covers your video, that makes people to watch that video. That image that attracts people to watch your video is what is called thumbnail. The reason why some people scroll past your video is simply because what you use as a cover of that video is not attractive enough. So if you want people to be watching your videos, all you need to do is to create an eye-catching thumbnail that will attract anybody that scroll past your video. You know that right thumbnail can attract viewers. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Confidence. If today is your first time stopping by, thank you. Returning subscriber, thank you so much. In this channel, I teach about how to grow your YouTube channel, how to get monetized, and how to make money both online and offline. So if this is something you're interested about, do well to subscribe, like, share, and lastly, do not forget to give me a thumbs up. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step guide on how to make an eye-catching thumbnail that will bring enough, did I say enough? Which word will I use? That will bring thousands of viewers to your channel. In case you don't know, if people are not viewing your video, maybe you are not using an attractive thumbnail. After watching this video, thumbnail will no longer be your problem again. So without wasting much of your time, let's go straight to the practical aspects of how to add eye-catching thumbnail to your video. To create attractive thumbnail, what I need to do is to get my picture ready. So having gotten my picture ready, I'll now move to Google to change my background. I'll hit on Google. I'll type www.removebg. So it will show me remove background. I'll click on it. It will show me this wonderful interface. I'll click on upload image to take me to my gallery. Let's say I want to use this picture. I'll click on it. So this is my picture, removing the background. It has automatically been removed, free of charge. So I will hit on this plus new background because I don't like this background. So this is me making my choice. Feel free to choose any color you like, any background you like. I don't like the first one, I don't like this one also. So I love this one. I'll click on this upload. I have unlock quality here and free. So I'll click on free one. I'll open my file. Can you see? This is my picture waiting for me. So this is my picture sitting here waiting for me on my gallery. So what I'm going to do now is I'll move to my CapCut and use this picture and design my thumbnail. I'll download exactly this background. So we are going to do it together, don't worry. When we are doing it, you understand everything. I'll click on new project. Hit on my photo. I'll now add this, my plain image. I'll add the plain background. I'll click on my aspect ratio, 16:9. I'll use both fingers to resize it. I'll click on overlay. I'll tap on overlay. Add overlay. I'll add the picture, the picture. I just changed the background. I'll add it now. So this is me resizing it. Place it where I want. So I want it to be at the center so as to let me add other things. So I'll go to test now. I'll add tests. So this is me writing thumbnail. So I'm going to write thumbnail tutorial. I'll go to my style. I'll first of all move to font. So which one did I choose? I will be choosing free one. I will not go to pro one. The one that I'll pay money, I will only choose the free one. So if you're not using CapCut Pro, make sure you choose the free one. Oh. I'll go to style. There are so many styles here. I like that color. I'll go to effects. I don't want to add animation. So I'll leave it like this. But this is me checking if I can see another color that is more beautiful. So under my style, I'm checking stroke. I can choose any one. Even shadow, if I can add any shadow to it. So I'll write tutorial now, thumbnail tutorial. I'll look at the font. This is me checking the one I will use. I just choose italic. Thumbnail tutorial, easy and free. So I'm going to change the color of this easy and free. I'll change the color. I'll go to my style again. I'm checking the color that will be best for me. Easy and free. I'm checking the font that will be better for me. I think this easy and free is good like this. I'll go to tutorial. This is me resizing it. This is me positioning it where I think it will be perfect. So feel free to do what you like. So this is the one I think I'm liking. So feel free to make use of the font you like, the character I like. Feel free to design it how you want. So this is me taking the picture of YouTube. Thumbnail tutorial, easy and free. So I think I like it like this. So feel free to do what you like. So after everything, I will export it to my gallery. Then I will save it, crop it and keep it for future use. I will save it. So if this video has been of any value to you and learn something from it, please do not forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. And if anything is confusing you, drop down your question on the comment section below. Bye bye and see you in my next video.